Hello, welcome back to Limited Insight and week 3 of the Granny Annexe build. If you've not watched episodes 1 and 2 yet, go back, watch those first and then come back here. So once again, a lot happened this week, so let's get right into discussing the developments from this week. Monday was a day off for the builders, so no work was carried out until Tuesday, and work it was, probably being the most arduous day of the entire build so far, and probably the hardest day that there will be. It started relatively easy, with the concrete floor beams being dropped off early in the morning, and then the floor insulation as well. The hard work then came from carrying each beam up to the site of the annex, each one weighing around 170 kilograms. Some were cut to size at the side of the road to keep the weight down, but with just 3 blokes with nothing but elbow grease to carry them up, it was a tough day and very hard work. It took all day to get the beams up into place. These were spaced out to accommodate the floor blocks to make the base of the floor. Wednesday came and it was no surprise that the builders decided to take an admin day. To give them a chance really to recover from the work from the previous day. It was back-breaking work, I did feel for them. So this week ended up being a 3-day working week. Thursday came and the perimeter floor blocks started to get laid. This I found very therapeutic to watch, with the mortar thrown down effortlessly and the next block positioned. It's precise work. So the tape measure came out and level out to check the positioning, although I do feel that this was done for my benefit, as it's kind of second nature after a while. Enough room has to be left for the insulation to sit between courses. They completed the inside course on Thursday and started on the outside on Friday. The outer layer is done with bricks to provide the damp course. Vents are used around the building to allow airflow underneath the building. So next week the plan is to further development on the floor and dig the trench for waste pipe on the bottom lawn. So regardless of the fact that it was only a 3-day working week, an awful lot got done on site and things are progressing really quickly. If you recall, the timeline for the build is 10 to 12 weeks, so at the moment things look on course despite not working 4 weeks. So we'll be back next week with the developments from week 4 of the build. So if you're interested in this, come back then. Thank you very much for watching this episode. See you next time. Bye bye.